Dear students, we will do module 53. In this module, I will give you the formats for computing professional income. You know that this income, we have to compute business income as well as professional income. Professional people earn with their skill. There, it can be doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant, architect, anybody. So here, a film star, a violinist, a musician, a dancer, anybody. So the rule is that up to assessment year 24-25, if in the current year they have to check there whether their income is more than rupees 75 lakhs in the preceding 3 years. 75,000 in the 75,000 in the preceding 3 years, then they have to file their returns. 25-26 assessment year onwards, it has come to 1,50,000 or more, they have to file the income tax returns. So I'll give 3 formats. So the first step you have to remember, it's very simple to compute just like business income, and I'm also giving allowable expenses and expenses not allowed. So if you're thinking about a doctor, with your basic knowledge you think what all can be a professional expense for a doctor. Anything related to his profession is allowed. Similarly, income. So whatever related to a professional income as a doctor, he can include. That other all items are excluded. So computation is very simple. So this first step, see, usually business people we will get the profit and loss account, trading profit and loss account. But professional persons prepare receipts and payments account or income and expenditure account instead of the profit and loss account. Second step, computation is done by adding all professional receipts and subtracting all professional expenses. So if professional receipts exceed professional expenses, it will be professional income or it will be professional loss. So computation of income of a doctor. So all the statements you have to remember: professional receipts, professional receipts, professional receipts. So we will underline and we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then less professional expenses, less professional expenses, professional expenses. So here this is total A. All these items added together and we will get this total. Similarly, here 1, 2, 3. So here you will get all the totals and this you will take it as, so this total we are calling it as B. So A minus B will be the professional income or professional loss. If A is more, you will get professional income. If B is more, you will get professional loss. So if a computation of income of a doctor, what can be the professional receipts? Consultation fees, operation fees, visiting fees if he is going to different hospitals or clinics, sale of medicines, gift from patients, value of any perquisite received. Perquisite meaning anything that can be converted into cash. Then examination fees, he will be going to different medical colleges for as an examiner. Any other professional receipts. The total you will get, then less professional expenses, dispensary expenses. Most of the hospitals they have dispensary attached to that. Cost of medicines. 2 things you have to remember, 2 methods of maintaining books of accounts. One is cash basis, second is mercantile basis. Cash basis is when they are receiving actual cash, then only they are recording the entry. Accrual basis meaning when you know that it's going to receive or you are going to make a payment, then and there itself you will record that. That is the mercantile system. So mercantile system is appreciated and the accepted method for filing tax returns, not the cash returns. When we learn accounting also, we have learned that method of maintaining accounts is on accrual basis. So here if accounts are maintained on cash basis, actual purchase of medicines made shall be taken as part of medicines, because when actual cash payment is made, they are making the entry. If accounts are maintained on mercantile basis or accrual basis, opening stock plus purchases made during the year minus closing stock shall be taken as the cost of medicines. Now depreciation on surgical equipments. So that depreciation rates, sometimes it will be given in the problem, and in one module I have given the rates for depreciation. You have to see that. Depreciation on cost of medicines or for profession. Car expenses for professional work. If anything is personal, it will be given in the adjustment. You have to reduce that. Expenditure incurred to increase professional knowledge. Going for training program, extra education, all this. Upskilling the knowledge. Nursing home expenses. Then any expenditure incurred during the year. this total professional expenses will be the total B. So total A minus total B will be the professional income of a doctor. Now if you come to a chartered accountant, professional receipts, audit fees, income from accountancy work, institute fees. There, to continue with that membership, they have to pay the institute fees, examiner's fees. If he is going as examiner, gifts from clients if any, consultancy services, then any other receipt, total professional receipts. Now, less professional expenses, office expenses, institute expenses. They have to pay the institute fees for maintaining the registration number. Cost of books purchased for upgrading the knowledge. Car expenses related to professional work. Here also you have to remember, anything related to personal you have to reduce. Membership fees, depreciation on office equipment and vehicle, any other expenditure incurred to increase professional knowledge. Then stipend to trainees. If he has juniors attending in his office, he has to pay stipend. Depreciation on office furniture. So total professional expenses you will get. So total professional receipts minus total professional receipts will give the professional income. Now, income of a lawyer. So this is the third format. If you know these three formats, you know if you get any professional, you will be able to do that. So professional receipts for a lawyer, practicing fees, legal fees, any commission received, presents from clients, examiner's fee, any other receipt. Total professional receipt. Now, professional expenses, office expenses, salary to staff if any, cost of books purchased for professional purposes, depreciation of office equipment, expenditure incurred to increase professional knowledge, subscriptions, purchase of stamp paper and code fees. For filing this, they need these documents. Then traveling expenses for official work. So total professional expenses you will get. Total professional receipts minus total professional expenses will give income from profession. Now, allowable expenses under section 30 to 37 and not allowable expenses for computing professional income. I am giving the list of items, so it will help you to do the problems in an easy manner. Only expenses incurred wholly and exclusively for the profession are allowed. Rates, rent, taxes, repairs, insurance of premises used for profession, depreciation on professional assets as per the income tax rules. I told you the depreciation rates I have mentioned in one module. Salary, wages, bonus to employees, office and administrative expenses, interest on borrowed capital for professional use, traveling expenses for professional purposes, professional subscriptions, journals and books. Now, disallowable expenses as per section 30 to 37 of the Income Tax Act. Personal expenses, capital expenses, except depreciation, income tax or personal tax, drawings of the proprietor, penalty for violation of law, cash payments above rupees 10,000 if it's paid as cash or as bearer check. Just like the business income, this is as per under section 40A subsection 3 of the Income Tax Act. So this, if you know these basic things, especially the allowable items and disallowable items, you can compute the professional income of any professional. And next module we will be doing the problems. Happy learning. Thank you.